Understanding the goals of prewriting strategies. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of academic writing and research. Our focus? Prewriting strategies. Let's unravel the goals of these strategies to set a strong foundation for your writing process. Before we delve into the goals, it's essential to understand what prewriting is. Prewriting is the initial stage of the writing process, where you brainstorm, research, and plan your ideas before drafting. Think of it as the foundation upon which your house, or essay, stands. Without a solid foundation, it's challenging to build a sturdy house. 1. Brainstorm ideas. Prewriting strategies aim to help you explore a myriad of ideas. Let your mind wander, and jot down everything that comes to mind regarding your topic. 2. Organize thoughts. Once you have a pool of ideas, you'll want to organize them in a coherent and logical manner. Prewriting helps you sort, group, and prioritize these thoughts. 3. Identify purpose and audience. Understanding the purpose of your writing and the audience you're addressing is crucial. Prewriting strategies guide you in defining these parameters. 4. Research and gather information. Prewriting isn't just about using your own thoughts. It's also about gathering facts, quotes, and data relevant to your topic. 5. Develop a thesis statement, the crown jewel of your essay. Prewriting aids in formulating a strong thesis statement that will guide your entire essay. 6. Outline the structure. A roadmap is always useful. During the prewriting stage, you'll draft an outline to help guide your writing and ensure that you stay on track. Using prewriting strategies not only sets a strong foundation but offers several other benefits. Reduces writer's block. With a clear plan in place, it's harder to get stuck. Saves time. By planning ahead, you avoid needless revisions and edits later on. Improves quality. When you're well prepared, the quality of your writing naturally improves. There you have it. By understanding and embracing the goals of prewriting strategies, you're not just preparing to write, you're preparing to excel. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of prewriting and how it can elevate your academic writing game. Until next time, happy writing!